Peel the garlic and cut it to a small part. Garlic is a male aphrodisiac food. It increases the desire of If you take this every day morning, you will be a king in 3 hours. Now we take some clove. Add the clove to the hand grinder. Crush all the ingredients and to make a paste. Take the paste in a small glass. It is very essential to your manhood. Add some water and cover it for 30 minutes. If you want to wake up your sleeping hero, drink this every day, night or morning. Your banana will be bigger and stronger day by day special. Stir the all ingredients. Now it is time to add some lemon juice. When you add clove, garlic, onion and lemon, it is a superfood to increase your power. It's a power booster for your manhood. Garlic, onion, clove and lemon juice. Drink and be powerful.